Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Hello everyone. In my previous videos, I have told you about some ways to check whether a planet is weak or strong. Today I will tell you about combustion of planets, which is one of the important techniques of Vedic astrology to judge the strength of planets. When any planet comes closer to the Sun within certain degrees, it becomes combust and loses its strength. This process is called combustion of planets. While in a state of combustion, planets lack power to protect and promote their significations and houses ruled by them. Nodes never become combust, as they are shadow planets. The degree of combustion on either side of Sun is different for each planet. Moon becomes combust within 12 degrees from the Sun. Mars becomes combust within 17 degrees. Mercury becomes combust within 14 degree and 12 degree when in retrograde motion. Jupiter becomes combust within 11 degree. Venus becomes combust within 10 degree and 8 degree when it is retrograde. Saturn becomes combust within 15 degree from Sun. There are few points to remember while judging the combustion of planets. The first point is, the closer a planet gets to the Sun, the more combust it gets. For example, in this chart, Sun is placed in Pisces sign at 24 degree and Mercury is placed in same sign at 13 degree and Venus is placed at 27 degree. Here Mercury is combust because it is within 11 degree from the Sun. But here combustion of Venus is more stronger than Mercury because Venus is more closer within 3 degree from the Sun. Second point is, if Sun is placed in one zodiac sign and the planet is in other sign but within the degrees of combustion, even then the planet will be called combust. In this chart, the Sun is placed in Capricorn sign at 2 degree and Saturn is placed in Sagittarius sign at 23 degree. Both planets are placed in different signs, but as Saturn is within 9 degree from the Sun, it will be called combust. Third point is, if Sun is in own sign or exalted, then planet placed with Sun will be more combust than the planet with debilitated Sun or in its enemy sign. For example, in this chart number 1, the Sun is placed in its exalted sign Aries with Mercury. Here Mercury is combust. In second chart, here Sun is placed in its debilitated sign Libra with Jupiter. Here Jupiter is also combust, but comparing both cases, the combustion strength of Mercury is more than the combustion strength of Jupiter because Sun is stronger in Aries than in Libra sign. The fourth point is that while judging the strength of combustion of planet, it is necessary to check nature of both Sun and the combust planet, whether both are functional malefic or functional benefic, or whether one planet is functional benefic and the other is functional malefic. For example, in this chart, Sun is malefic as 12th lord and Mercury is benefic as 1st and 10th lord. Here benefic Mercury is combust by malefic Sun, hence Mercury becomes weak by the combustion and also by affliction by a malefic planet Sun. Hope you have gained some knowledge about the combust planets. If you liked the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you and keep watching.